Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today we're back with another nail tutorial, and thank you if you're here right now present watching this video. Thank you so much. It means the absolute world. I'm really appreciative. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up to let me know that you guys enjoyed. So thank you so much to Madam Glam for sending over 2 of their new gel polish is from the Sand collection. These gel polishes are from the Sand collection, so thank you so much to Madam Glam for sending these over. I was super excited to use them and just create a set right away just to see what these were all about. I didn't have any like sand gel polishes, so this is definitely new and super exciting to make a video on and just add to my gel polish collection. And if I could tell you guys one of the top gel polishes to invest in, it would definitely have to be Madam Glam. I myself, I'm actually thinking of purchasing a lot of their gel polishes because they are so great. Like, they're amazing quality, they're highly pigmented and just such high quality, and you could definitely tell when working with these. I literally love these. Absolutely love Madam Glam. I'm literally raving about these because these are just something that if you're willing to invest the money in, I definitely recommend to have them in your collection. They're just amazing quality, and I do have a 30% off discount code off your entire purchase, so that definitely helps as well. I really genuinely love this brand, so it's definitely one of my top 5. And by the way, I really appreciate how they're vegan, cruelty free, 21 free formula, and also HEMA free. So I love how they also don't include any palm oil in their formula. So really great ingredients, and not that many ingredients either if you guys look in the back of the bottles. And I also really just appreciate overall what an amazing performance these gel polishes create. When you are working with them, you will see for yourselves. They're super pigmented, super opaque, very rich and creamy, and just super easy to work with. I feel like you could definitely tell that you are wearing more of a higher end gel polish. So I definitely genuinely love Madam Glam. That's just my personal opinion. Some people may disagree, but that is just my personal opinion. If I could tell you guys at least two of the top brands to invest in when it comes to gel polish, it'd have to be Madam Glam and Nail Addict. Those are just my top 2, but I do have other ranges of gel polishes that I genuinely really love. Like Model 1 is really good. I really love Beetles. You know, there's just a lot of other brands like Melody, Susie, etc. But if you're just looking for really great quality ones, then I just recommend these are definitely my top favorites. And yeah, here I'm just pretty much going through the process of what you would do when you are creating some press on nails. So I just removed the shine with a buffer. I'm dusting off the excess dust, and then we're gonna go right in and apply some base coat, apply it onto all the nails, and we're gonna go ahead and cure it for 60 seconds, and then we're gonna go ahead and apply our colors. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. It's a very quick, fun, just relaxing type of video, and I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss out on any uploads. Hit that like button if you haven't already, and subscribe. It would mean the absolute world, and I really hope you guys enjoy these videos. But yeah, I'm really excited. I absolutely loved these sand gel polishes. I thought they were really unique, and like I had mentioned, I didn't have anything like that, so I was really happy to incorporate that and be able to add it into my gel polish collection set. But don't get me wrong, like I had mentioned, there are a lot of other gel polish brands that are more on the affordable side, but I do have a 30% discount code as well. So let's say you spend $100, you do get 30% off your entire purchase, so it's really not that bad, and they're definitely worth every penny, I'm telling you, because I genuinely love them, and you guys will see for yourselves as well the pigmentation of like their overall gel polishes. I remember in one video a lot of people had said that they loved this electric blue because I was showing like a haul, and I just wanted to show I think charms the way that they looked, and I did use a Madam Glam one, and everybody really loved, a lot of people at least loved the Madam Glam color that I used, and it was so pigmented and creamy, and I literally just used one coat. But there's a lot of other brands as well that are good, but we're talking about Madam Glam here, and you know, this is a Madam Glam video. That's the only reason why I really recommend them. Like, I was really happy with their products, and that's all I really have to say. But yeah, I'm just gonna let you guys enjoy watching the rest of this tutorial. So after I'm done, I'm going in with some matte top coat, and I'm applying the matte top coat on the accent nails, which are the middle finger and the ring finger, and then the rest of the other nails I'm just going to use a glossy top coat. But that is pretty much it for today's video. I will also, after this step, I'm going to go ahead and show you what I applied my nails with, which was just some simple KDS nail glue, which I absolutely love. So that is what I use for this particular set to adhere my nails. But you could definitely use like acrylic. You could use clear acrylic. You could use whatever works best for you. But for this particular video, I just decided, you know, I'm gonna go ahead and use some old-fashioned nail glue. So that is what I did, and now I'm just going with the Melody Susie top coat, which I absolutely love. It's extremely shiny. I definitely want to try the Madam Glam top coat, base coat, and matte top coat, so that's definitely something that I'll probably purchase. But yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying this video so far and that you liked the set. It was definitely something different. Let me know down below if you guys have tried a sand gel polish before, because I definitely haven't, and I really liked the way that they turned out. Now I'm just going in with some Blossom Cuticle Oil, and that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching and tuning in. Don't forget to let me know down below in the comments your thoughts and opinions on today's nail set. Thank you all for being here. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next upload.